Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, another arrival from eBay. This is a Lionel track cleaning car. Picked this up for 12 bucks on eBay. Now this I'm really curious about. Anyway, 12 bucks. Oh my God. My nemesis. Hold on. Alright. Styrofoam peanuts. Anyway, I found this thing on eBay for 12 bucks. Just really curious to see if it actually runs. Alright, there's the car. Let me get these boxes out of the way. Alright. Let's see what we have here. Get this out of the way. Alright. Now it appeared to be in fairly decent condition. As you see, there it is. Now this is not a powered car. This is actually towed behind a locomotive. The question, of course, is does the motor run for the scrubber? So it has a scrubber on the bottom, basically a sponge really, like a Scotch-Brite, that spins, and then a wiper that follows behind and actually wipes the track, as you see. The question is, of course, does that motor run? Again, this is not a powered locomotive. It is actually towed behind a locomotive. All right, let's see. Let's put it on rail 3 and see if it actually runs. So turn the power on. Power is on. Let's see here. Well, I heard something. Obviously, this has not run in years and years and years. There we go. All right. So as you see, the scrubber runs. That's all this car does. Just turns that scrubber, and then this is towed behind a locomotive. So you can tell it needs to be lubricated really badly. But it's running, that's the thing, so it will work. So in any case, I'll get this lubricated, cleaned up, and I'm just going to fabricate a scrubber for it, and very likely a wiper. Anyway, it's pretty basic. And like I said, this is not powered. It's actually towed behind a powered locomotive. That's why it has a coupler on the front. So I'll probably put this on a Lionel diesel and then pull it around the rail. So once I get the scrubber fabricated and put a wiper on it, it's going to be an interesting experiment to see if this thing actually cleans track. So a Lionel 3927 rail cleaning car. And again, all this thing is a motor that turns a scrubber, really, basically a Scotch-Brite sponge. And they're replaceable. So you just take this thing off, put a new sponge on it, and then a round wiper is captured in the trailing truck. And basically it just wipes the oxide off the track as that scrubber scrubs it free. And it is running. It definitely needs to be lubricated, but no doubt it's running. So it will work. Anyway, 12 bucks on eBay. I figured it was, if nothing else, an interesting experiment to see if these things actually work. So we'll fabricate a scrubber for it. Like I said, I'll very likely use a Scotch-Brite sponge and just cut it to fit. The replaceable scrubbers cost more than this car did. So obviously I'm not going to spend a great deal of money replacing those scrubbers. Anyway, just a quick expedient to make something just to see if it's going to work. So we'll put a locomotive on this, put a scrubber on it, and a wiper. We'll scrub the track and see if these things actually work. Anyway, it's going to be an interesting experiment. Thought it'd make a decent video. 12 bucks on eBay. It's definitely running, as you see. So I'll get this lubed up, cleaned, and we'll take it from there. So like I said, I've got to fabricate a scrubber for it and a wiper that snaps into this trailing truck. Now the trailing truck snaps up like that, so you don't need to actually wipe it if you don't want to. But in any case, just want to do a quick video on the unboxing of this. It's running, so there's no doubt that it's going to work. It's just a matter of getting a scrubber cut and stuck on there, put a wiper in it, and we'll test this on the rail, see if it's going to run. So far, so good. It's up and running. It needs to be lubricated and cleaned, no doubt. But at least it's running, so it'll work. Anyway, just a quick unboxing video. The Lionel 3927 rail cleaning car. And this is the only rail cleaning car that Lionel made that isn't self-propelled. This is actually towed behind a locomotive. So, it was cheap. It's going to be an interesting experiment to see how it actually works. So, a quick unboxing video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINS@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.